Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ AI description generator. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, you actually have two ways to use this one. First off is by using the vidIQ website or the application. And the second one is by using the vidIQ browser extension directly to YouTube Studio. Now, first off, in the website, in here, just go ahead over to the left panel. You could go ahead and choose to use Generate or Video Generator. Just go ahead and click on More Tools right here, okay? And you'll find it. Now, I'm just going to be using the OG Generate right here. Now, click on this video box or this video idea box, and then enter your video topic or concept, okay? And the AI will then generate a video brief that includes titles, thumbnails, and a full description. So for example, create a video about fixing Minecraft get sock OPT. All right. And then just go ahead and click on generate. Wait for the process to finish. And as you can see here we now have the title. You can refine this one, but it's going to use extra credit. Okay. And here we have the description section as well as the tags. Thumbnail suggestions will be loaded here as well. Okay. So when you go ahead and go to the top under description, as you can see, you already saved time by auto-crafting SEO-friendly YouTube video descriptions. You simply just need to input your target keywords or video title, and the AI right here instantly generates optimized or ready-to-use text that can be directly pasted in your video details. So you can just click on the copy button, go to your videos tab right here, and then just paste everything. Okay. Now that we're here under YouTube Studio, so when you go ahead over to the description box and scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see description suggestion. Okay. This one is auto-generated by vidIQ. All you got to do is just install the vidIQ extension. You could go ahead and use this one. As you can see, it automatically enters the description box. And if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and click on Undo Changes, and your original description will be right here. And that's how easy it is to use vidIQ AI description generator. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.